Alright, here we come to the elevator at Fordyce, or Fordyce, however you say it. I can't pronounce it right. And we have another old elevator that has been modernized by Kone, but tastefully modernized. Yes, I know a lot of people are gonna hate Kone, but actually, this is actually a pretty tasteful mod, and I'm sure Andrew will like this as well. Anyways, let's run. Here we go. You can actually see inside the elevator shaft as well.
Going down.
Oh, that voice is loud. Wow, look at this. This used to be manually controlled, and then it was fully automated at one time. It's gonna be.
Basement.
We're gonna take this for a few rides.
Going up.
Wow, this thing's a true beauty. All right, let's go to 3. This is a door.
Second floor.
We're stopping. You going up?
Yeah.
Going
come in.
up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Third floor.
Thank you for
Going
driving.
down.
Oh, you're welcome. All right, it's gonna be, and we'll take another ride looking out the back window. This thing's beautiful. Except for that motor is really loud. Otis. Looks like that's your original call register.
Basement.
Here at the basement.
Going up.
Who cares if this works? Nope, it doesn't. All right, here we go. Let's watch out the back.
Third floor. Going down.
You can hear the brakes. Here's your Otis sign. Judging by that logo, it looks like this elevator was modernized, like, I believe, twice. All right, we will now go back down to 1 and end the video there. Here's your original controls.
First floor.
This thing is a true treasure. This thing is beautiful. Just like that has been modernized. All right. There it goes, and that's it.